Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by getting the live photo ready. Open Photos, select the live photo, and export it as a MOV or as paired. Hike and MOV so motion and stills stay intact. Make sure location and timestamp are correct because police portals use that for evidence chain. Once done, check file size and, if needed, compress or trim a couple seconds to meet limits. Keep the original copy safe while you work with a duplicate for upload. You now log into the designated MP Police portal with your verified account and navigate to the Evidence or Complaint Upload section. Choose the evidence type, then attach the MOV file or both. Hike and MOV as instructed. Make sure you fill every required field, date, time, location, and concise description, because omissions can delay processing. Once the files are attached, preview the uploaded video if the portal allows, and click Upload. You finish by confirming the submission. Note the reference or FIR number and take a screenshot of the confirmation page for your records. This preserves chain of custody. If the portal rejects the file, try compressing to a lower bitrate, trim unnecessary frames, or switch browsers or devices and upload again. If problems persist, contact portal support or the local station, give them your reference number, and request manual intake. This keeps the evidence traceable and usable for investigators.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.